Hello everyone, my name is Jun Liu. I'm from Global Technical Support Team. Today I would like to do a demonstration about how to discover inventory data in UseMDB. UseMDB discovery job is spiral discovery. It means that you need to run a series of jobs to get the inventory data. The output of previous job will be the trigger and the input CI for the next job. First, you need to add IP address in probe. Navigate to Data Flow Management. Open Data Flow Probe Setup page. Find the probe that you need to use to discover the IP. Then add the IP here. When you add it, you can see two types, data center and client. If the IP address is fixed, then select the data center. If it is changeable, for example, the machine IP is managed by DHCP, in that case, select client. But the discovery scenario is totally different. In this session, I will introduce data center type. Click OK, then save it. Now open Universal Discovery page. Go to Zone-Based Discovery. Add one new management zone. Give it a name. Select the probe you want to use in this zone. Now create first activity. Give it a name. Define the credential you want to use in this activity. I will use this one only. Uncheck this one and this one. Select next. If you want to install the UD agent, select here. I will use agentless discovery in this session, so I will not use it. Click Next. Define the schedule. And then click Finish. After it finishes, you can see a series job is activated if it is marked with green. Now go to Administration, Infrastructure Setting Manager page. Find the one with name Display. This one. Enable display of jobs belonging to the management zone. Set it as true and log in. After that, go back to the Universal Discovery page. Go to Discovery module. Let's enable it here, the infrastructure activity. Now go to Discovery module. Here, at the end of this tree structure, you can see a directory called NoModule. After you enable that parameter, then you can see all the jobs belonging to the activity here. So you can tuning or edit each of the job belonging to the activity here. Now go to Range IP by ICMP job, the first job. You can see that the input is Discovery Probe Gateway, and the Discovery job is IP address and dependency. IP address is the input IP of next job. And here you can see there is one trigger and it has completed. Click the number You can see it has been executed successfully. Right-click on it, select Show Results from the Trigger CI. Then you can see all the CI discovered by this job. And the first one is the one we expected in this job. Next is host connection by shell job. This job will mainly discover node and shell CI. Now we close this one and open this one. And here you can see input CI type is IP address and the discovered CI is this. And click this, we can see the whole picture of all the output CI. Now the job has finished. One successful and one failed. This one because this machine has been deleted. And in this session, let's check this one. It has got successful. Right-click on it, show result from the trigger. Here we can see the list of all the discovered CI. And the main CI discovered here is Windows and NTCMD CI. And this is the trigger of the next job. Next is inventory discovery by scanner job. This is the job to discover inventory data. Go back to the UI, go back to the zone-based discovery. We need to create another activity. Previous one is infrastructure, and now we need to create this one, inventory. Give it a name. We use scanner-based inventory discovery. And in most of the case, you also need to discover the virtualization topology. But in this session, I will disable it. Configure the schedule. Click Finish. Now activate it. So here you can see two jobs are enabled, manual scanner and inventory discovery by scanner. You can see there are 3 triggers. Go to the discovery module and jobs. Refresh it. Now we can see the inventory discovery job by scanner is here. And there are 2 triggers. We need to wait for 5 or 10 minutes until it finishes, because the workflow is like that. First probe will create a channel and copy the scanner to the remote machine, execute the scanner, collect the information, send it back to USMD probe. Probe analyzes the data, save it in the local machine, then send part of the useful data back to server. So this may take some time. After several minutes, you will see the job finishes incompleted status. Click the number. This is the one we are demonstrating in this session. Right-click on it, select Show Results from Triggered CI. Then here we can see all the data discovered, including the hardware data, CPU, disk device, file system, hardware board, extra, and software data, installed software. That's all I would like to demonstrate in this session. Thank you.